Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nilesh Adalgi and you're watching Techie Programmers. So today in this video we are going to start our new Python 3 series. First of all, let me connect to my internet connection and I will just make a walkthrough so that you can just download the files that are necessary. Is the Python package, that is python.org. Then what you can do is in the next window we are going to use Pycharm IDE. Okay, let me just show you this. This is a official page by Python. So what you need to do here is come on the download section, and based on your operating system you need to choose a file and download the recommended Python file. Once done with that, you just need to double tap and make sure you hit on add to path while installing, and done, you will be having a Python installed on your machine. And second thing that we need is Pycharm. You can just search for Pycharm, and here in the download section you can just come here, and what you can do is just to download a community version of this and just install, hit on download. And similar to the normal installation, just make sure that you download an appropriate version for your operating system. If you just say Windows, then go with the Windows, Mac or Linux. So after you download, just double tap to open and just agree, and if it asks for permissions and password, just make sure you enter them and keep it installed. Once done with the installation, what you can do is you can just fire up your Pycharm. If you still don't get this how to install these both of these software, and if you need some help, let me know in the comment section, and I shall make a separate video on installation of Python and installation of Pycharm, configuring them. So I will just make a new project so that we will be continuing a whole course on that. So let me just name it as Python QUICK. Okay, what you need to do is you just need to enter the whatever your project name is, and here you can just select new environment using, it asks for the different one, pipenv and virtual env. What you can do is just click on new virtual environment using virtual env, that is default from Pycharm, and then make sure once you have installed your Python on your machine, then there will be a number of options available for you, and which version have you on. Like, I have installed these many, so I have these many number of path variables. If you are installed only one or two, then you will just have this one or two. You can just select the Python version, that is 3.8, that is the latest I have installed. Once done with the space interpreter, then what you can do is hit on create. Once your environment is created, you will get this file. You can just remove this, and what you can do is, if there is you can just hit on console, Python console here, and here you can check if it is running the right version of Python you actually set your environment for. Else what you can do is just go here in the preferences, and here in the interpreter section, that is here, and Python interpreter, you can just select here. Even if you have like falsified something, then you can just select here whatever Python you want the Python variable to be. So once done with this, what we can do is, so what I can do is I have this complete setup ready for my execution of my program. So that's it for today. In the next section we will start our real coding. So see you in the next video.